Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great weekend, and welcome to this new video here on XRP. There's some good news and some bad news again. I mean, first of all, the good news is that I think we switched bearish at a good point of time. Because if you remember the video yesterday we already made the conclusion, unfortunately, that it was most likely that we would drop down a bit lower. And I think over the last 24 hours that has happened, right? I mean, you can see my voice, by the way, is still a little bit gone. It's almost there. Bear with me. But what you can see is that we dropped down below the value area low right here, which has shifted down to 2.15, obviously because of all the volume traded down here. But we dropped down below that. Found some support at the 200 EMA. That's that beautiful golden line, as you can see right here. But then afterwards we just retested, which is a bearish confirmation, the value area low here at 2.15, and we dropped down below the 200 EMA. And that's what we said yesterday, right? So yesterday, what we said is that it was most likely that we would have some sort of a move like this into $2. And then potentially at $2, we could bottom out. So far, every time that we hit that level in December, that has been the bottom. But the thing is that I do think, and that's very unfortunate, but XRP has lost quite a bit of its strength. And I'll be honest, I still think that XRP is going to perform good in 2025. But that doesn't really matter for now. I mean, for now, we're still, or at least the price, is still trying to find some sort of a strong bottom. And until we have found that strong bottom, it doesn't matter whether we will rally in 2025, right? Because I do think there's plenty of fundamentals to argue in favor of an XRP rally in 2025. But if we still drop down 20% before that, it doesn't matter for now, right? So this is XRP BTC. So relative strength of XRP. You can also see that kind of fell off a cliff yesterday evening, especially. But this is getting towards support, all right? So that is at least a good sign for XRP if we want to hold this level at $2. And I think in general, and that is a little bit more of a general observation, the sentiment around Bitcoin and the sentiment for early 2025 has improved slightly. All right, there was a lot of bearish momentum and a lot of bearish sentiment in the last couple of weeks even. Right now it's getting a little bit better, and we are seeing some bidding coming in from Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin potentially bottoming out here, which I think we are. And at the same point of time, XRP BTC getting close to a very strong support level. It's not there yet. Makes me believe that it is most likely, and that's also suggested by the technicals, right? Because we have had two bearish confirmations now. But that makes it most likely, in my eyes, that we will drop down a bit lower into $2, into 1.95. But I do think we'll hold this. Obviously, I mean, the start of a new week, and especially the end of the year, can be quite volatile, and therefore we should be careful. And we might, for example, also get a bear trap here. That's all possible. But for now, what I think is most likely, given what we're seeing in the market as a whole, but also from XRP right now, I think a little bit more bearish momentum on the short term is likely. But then I do think this support level down here, which by the way is incredibly strong and has proven itself 2 times already in December with a lot of strength, 3 times arguably. So I do think in general that we are going to be able to hold this. And then the main target would be 2.2 and 2.25. Now breaking back above that is going to be tough. At the moment, I would say it's a little bit more likely that we will then settle for a new consolidation between 2.25 and $2, which isn't too bad at all. But no, like I said, I mean, XRP has lost some of its bullish strength. But I don't really see a reason why we would fall down all the way below a strong level like we have around $2. So those are my thoughts. I will keep you updated on this though. So keep an eye out on the channel. But for now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.